What's up, you lovely human being? It's your girl Icy in the building, and we're back again with another video. You already know what we're doing today. Now it is literally 28 degrees or 27 degrees currently right now in St. Petersburg, and we're about to go swimming. My outfit of the day. How cute is this? Like, let me show you guys. You can't see properly, but let me show you. This is my outfit for the beach that I'm going with, and then I have my bag which I'm taking to the beach, and it has all the essentials, basically like